I'm Cameron from the Skills 21 team. This video tutorial is to help judges in the judging process for ExpoFest. First, you'll want to go to track.skills21.org. Then you're going to sign in with the credentials given to you. This is Trackpad. On the left-hand side is the list of projects you will be judging. When you click on the project name, the box will turn orange, which means this is the current project you are assessing. Before the actual weekend of ExpoFest, you have access to the team's Launchpad profile. Here, you can find their team description and also visit their website. It is important in the judging process to explore these resources so that you can do partial judging before the day of Expo. Be sure to look for social media links and written documentation. After sufficiently exploring their website and profile, you will click back to Trackpad. This is the notes and comment section. We ask you to please leave at least one comment as constructive feedback. This gives students a personal piece of your expert advice that will help foster their learning process. You will then be judging the project based off of these categories. Each category has its own scoring criteria that you will read over and then give one score ranging from unsatisfactory to outstanding, which is a 5-point scale. Now that you've began judging the project, you can see that on the left-hand side, there is a circular icon to show your judging is in progress. On the day of Expo, when all your judging is complete and you've left a comment, you will see the project title now has the number of points you have awarded them. You have successfully judged their team project. We at Skills 21 appreciate the time and effort you put into judging our students' hard work. Thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoy. Bye!